In this video, we will talk about how you can prepare for the installation of your 3-day blinds motorized window treatments. If you purchased motorized treatments and are not planning to use the 3-day blinds app at this time, you can relax and wait for your new window treatments to arrive. If you purchased a 3-day blinds smart hub and will be using the 3-day blinds app, there are a few things you can do ahead of time to ensure the installation is as smooth as possible. Make a note of your Wi-Fi network name and password, as the installer will need this to set up the app and hub. Next, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection is required for the Smart Hub installation. All Wi-Fi routers have a 2.4 GHz band, but newer routers often have what's called a dual band, which means the router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, often referred to as 5G. Although 5 GHz is faster and can be more ideal for activities such as streaming, a 2.4 GHz connection is more reliable at longer distances and through solid objects, such as walls, making it optimal for window treatments. If you have a dual band router, sometimes the two bands are merged together and need to be split out prior to installation. A simple way to tell if your bands are already split is to open the Wi-Fi preferences on any connected device, such as a phone or tablet. If the band is split, you will see two Wi-Fi network options in your settings. If your band is not already split, we recommend splitting them ahead of time. This process is fairly simple, but does vary by each router model. We recommend looking up instructions online of how to split the bands for your specific router, or contact the company you purchased your router through for assistance. Next, download the 3-day blinds app on your smart device and run the most recent software update on your smartphone. The 3-day blinds app is compatible with iOS versions 10 or greater and Android 4.1 or greater. Now decide which group of shades, if any, you would like to have the installer show you how to program so that they move all at once. In the 3-day blinds app, this is called a scene. Next, if you have a home automation system that is compatible with your 3-day blinds window treatments, such as an Amazon Alexa or Google Home, please ensure that device is connected and accessible to the installer. Thanks for watching how you can prepare for your 3-day blinds motorized product installation.